Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain number series. Number series two parts on చేస్తున్నానండి ఎందుకంటే number series little bit difficult part. IBPS RRB లో 5 questions in number series అవన్నీ కూడా న్యూమరికల్ ఎబిలిటీలో ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఆ టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే నేను రీజనింగ్ లోనే చేస్తున్నాను అది. ఓకే, అండ్ అంటే కొన్ని కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ అంటే రీజనింగ్ లో కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు కాబట్టి. And next IBPS clerks or SSC, SBI clerks. Number series mother common. Minimum 3 to 5 questions are there. IBPS RRB 5 questions compulsory. IBPS clerks or SBI clerks minimum 3 questions and maximum 5 questions. Okay, these questions are in numerical ability. But in some cases, these questions also asked in reasoning ability also. Okay, reasoning ability or logical reasoning, whatever it is. Okay, number series next odd man out. These two topics are in either quantitative aptitude or logical reasoning. Now, number series two parts. Later on, we are discussing about odd man out. Odd man out entity, find the wrong number in the series. Now, what is number series? What is the series? If set of numbers follow a particular rule, that is called as series. Okay, అది ఏంటి అవనివ్వండి ఆ సిరీస్. ఇక్కడ ఈ నంబర్ సిరీస్ ఏంటంటే ఒక స్పెసిఫిక్ ప్యాటర్న్ అంటూ ఏమి ఉండదు. స్పెసిఫిక్ ప్యాటర్న్ అంటూ ఏమి ఉండదు. ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ లో మనం చేయాల్సింది ఏంటి అంటే మనం ఆ లాజిక్ ఏంటి, వాట్ ఈస్ ద లాజిక్ బిహైండ్ దట్ సీక్వెన్స్ అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇక్కడ మ్యాక్సిమం చాలా మంది చేసే మిస్టేక్ ఏంటి అంటే బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేసి క్వశ్చన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసి ఒకవేళ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ రాకపోతే వెంటనే ఆన్సర్ ఓపెన్ చేసి ఓకే సాల్వ్ చేస్తారు. That is not at all correct approach. Especially number series, letter series, number analogy, letter analogy, coding. These topics are, suppose if you go through book, is not at all correct. What is the perfect approach to solve these questions? And a simple method is there. Okay. Daily, you prepare 2 series. That's all. Only 2 series. మీకు నచ్చిన సిరీస్ మీరు ప్రిపేర్ చేయండి. ఈరోజు 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ అయిపోయాయి కదా, దట్స్ నఫ్. ఇంకా అంత మించి ఏం చేయండి. రేపు వచ్చేసరికి ఇంకొక 2 సిరీస్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయండి. ఈరోజు అంటే 2 డిఫరెంట్ మోడల్స్, రేపు ఎనదర్ 2 డిఫరెంట్ మోడల్స్ ఆన్ 1 కండిషన్. రేపు చేయబోయే 2 సిరీస్ ఈ రోజు ఏవైతే ప్యాటర్న్ లో చేశారో ఆ ప్యాటర్న్ లో ఉండకూడదు. అంటే దోస్ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ డిఫరెంట్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ ఫ్రమ్ టుడేస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకేనా, ఈ రోజు ఏవైతే క్వశ్చన్స్ చేశారో ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిఫరెంట్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఏమైంది, ఆఫ్టర్ 2 days యు గాట్ 4 డిఫరెంట్ ప్యాటర్న్స్. థర్డ్ డే యు విల్ క్రియేట్ ఎనదర్ 2 డిఫరెంట్ ప్యాటర్న్స్. ఆ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఈ ఫస్ట్ 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ 4 ప్యాటర్న్స్ కి కోయిన్సైడ్ అవ్వకూడదు, డిఫరెంట్ ప్యాటర్న్. సో ఇలా మీరు చేస్తుంటే ఆఫ్టర్ 10 days యు గాట్ 20 డిఫరెంట్ ప్యాటర్న్స్. ఆఫ్టర్ 15 days 30. ఆఫ్టర్ 25 days యు గాట్ 50 ప్యాటర్న్స్. దట్స్ ఇట్. 26th day అయ్యేసరికి మీ దగ్గర ప్యాటర్న్స్ అన్నీ అయిపోతాయి. But you need to prepare 2 questions, right? Now you think out of the box. That is very, very important. So, ఇదే ప్యాటర్న్ మీరు ఇలా కంటిన్యూ చేసినట్లయితే జస్ట్ 2 months, ఆఫ్టర్ 2 months, you will become a master in number series. ఈ ప్యాటర్న్ వల్ల బెనిఫిట్ ఏంటంటే మీ లాజికల్ థింకింగ్ డెవలప్ అవుతుంది, క్రిటికల్ థింకింగ్ డెవలప్ అవుతుంది. It leads to solve any reasoning questions in a less than 1 minute. That means even in fraction of seconds also. That is the best procedure to learn number series. Okay. Now in the number series 1 and 2, I'm going to explain around 50 different models are there. Okay. Just every question, just to pause this video, as usual, solve that question, and next watch my explanation. So after 50 questions, it's a very simple. After two videos, just start your work. What is simple? నేను ఏదైతే చెప్పానో ఆ ప్యాటర్న్ ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఆఫ్టర్ 2 months or after 3 months, you become a master in number series. ఓకే, ఈ ప్యాటర్న్ అంత ఏంటంటే మన చిన్నప్పుడు అంటుంటాం, కోచ్కి కొబ్బరికాయ ఇస్తే ఏం చేస్తుందో తెలియదంట, రైట్? ఇది కూడా అంతే. నేను క్వశ్చన్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తే అది మీరు సాల్వ్ చేయలేకపోవచ్చు. మీరు ఏదో క్వశ్చన్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తే అది నేను కూడా సాల్వ్ చేయలేకపోవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే మీకు ఆ మెథడాలజీ, ఆ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏదైతే థింకింగ్ కెపబిలిటీ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుందో, అది ఎప్పుడైతే మీరు టఫ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇవ్వగలుగుతారో, దట్ ఈస్ ది బెస్ట్. అంటే మీరు ఇచ్చే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎవరు చేయలేకపోరు. ఆ టైప్లో మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే క్రియేట్ చేయగలుగుతారో, యూ విల్ బికమ్ ఎ మాస్టర్ ఇన్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్, రైట్? నా సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెంబర్ సిరీస్? అసలు ఏంటిది? All arithmetical operations involved in the number series. All arithmetical operations. That is, what is the first one? Suppose addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, cubes, odd numbers, even numbers, prime numbers, combinations. What is the combination? That is addition and multiplication, addition and subtraction, addition and division, addition, squares, cubes, addition, cube subtraction, cubes multiplication, cubes division, combination of squares and cubes, odd numbers, odd number and cubes, odd number and even numbers, whatever it is. That is the combination. Even prime number and cubes, prime number and subtraction, prime number and addition, whatever it is. That are the combinations. And the very toughest part, that is the miscellaneous. It clearly misguide you. Miscellaneous is a very dangerous topic in number series. Okay. Miscellaneous ఎప్పుడైతే మీకు ఏంటంటే, మీకు ఏదైతే క్రియేటివ్ థింకింగ్ అంటున్నానో, ఆఫ్టర్ 20 days ఆర్ ఆఫ్టర్ 30 days మీరు ఏవైతే మీరు సాల్వ్ చేయగలుగుతారో, ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని కూడా మీకు మిస్లీనియస్ లో వస్తాయి. ఆఫ్టర్ 20 days or 30 days, if you prepare, if you create any questions, those questions must be in a miscellaneous. Yes, reminding all these combinations, okay, all these combinations, just 50 to 60% of the question. And what is the miscellaneous? That is remaining 40%. But IBPS clerks or IBPS RRB or SBA clerks, maximum questions are asked in addition to first to 10, addition to combination only. In prelims, mains, some miscellaneous. But what about POs? Maximum number of questions that is in the miscellaneous only. Okay. Now, today I'm going to explain the basics of number series. Okay. Now, let us take the first question. What is the first question here? Just a moment. Right. What is the first question? It's a very simple 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. What is the next number? Just pause this video, solve the question, and then go through my explanation, cross-check your answer. If you observe, this is into 2, into 2, into 2, into 2, into 2, 128. What next? Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, and what is the next one? That is equal to minus. That is the answer. That is the one way. Or 4 into minus 2, minus 8 into minus 2, 16 into minus 2, etc. Okay, that is a little bit different. Why? Because minus 8 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 8 into 2, 16, etc. So instead of that one, just take 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 2, 32, 32 into 2, 64. And what is the 64 into 2? 128. But here, some negative numbers are also there. Every alternative number, that is a negative value. Okay. So, 4 positive value, 8 negative value, 16 positive, 32 negative, 64 positive, and 128 negative. So, what is the answer? Answer is minus 128. This is the correct answer. Is it clear? It's a very simple question. And this is the combination of multiplication and alternate series, alternate plus or minus, whatever it is. Just pause this video and solve this question. Now, 5, 10, 13, 26, 29, 58. Here, what is the answer? Here, 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. Here, 10 plus 3, that is equal to 13. Here, 13 into 2, that is 26. 26 plus 3, that is 29. 29 into 2, that is 58. 58 plus 3, that was 67. Here, what happened? This is the combination of addition and multiplication. Into 2 plus 3. Into 2 plus 3. Into 2 plus 3. And plus 3, there was 61. What is the next one? 61 into 2 or not? What is the 61 into 2? That is 122. What is the answer? Answer is 122. That is the answer. Right? Now, it's a very, very, very simple question. Okay. Just observe if you will get the answer, right? See, in some cases, this type of questions also asked in examination. In IBPS RRB, out of 5 questions, just 2 questions based on squares and cubes like this. But remaining 3 questions, little bit difficult. 1 question, ultimate difficult. Out of 5, 2 are very simple, 2 are moderate, and 1 question, ultimate difficult. This is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, and what is the next number? 8 square, that is equal to 64, which is required answer. It's a very, very, very simple question. Okay, I'm going to explain the easiest question to tough question. Okay, don't skip this video. All of you solve each and every question. Okay, Nana? Right. And the simple question. What is the answer? I think all of you got this answer. Just observe carefully. This, what is this one? This is 1 cube. What is this one? 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. Sorry, 6 cube. And what is the next one? 7 cube. What is the 7 cube? That is 343, which is required answer. Right? It's very simple. And the simple question. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, and 41. If you observe, this is plus 2, this is plus 7, this plus 2, this is plus 4, sorry, plus 4, plus 4. Right? And what about this one? If you observe, this is plus 6, plus 2, this is plus 6, this is plus 4. That means, if you take a difference of 2 consecutive numbers, there is no sequence effect. Plus 2 plus 4, plus 2 plus 4, plus 6 plus 2, plus 6 plus 4. So what happened? Here, if you take a difference of 2 numbers, that logic is failed in this person. Now, what is the possibility? If you observe 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, and 41, all are prime numbers. What is the next prime number? That is 43 or not? That's it. Sir, how to find the prime number? A simple logic is there. Every prime number must be follows plus or minus 6x plus or minus 1. Every prime number except 2 and 3. But if a number which is follows 6x plus or minus 1 need not be a prime number. అంటే ఏంటి? మీరు ఏ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ తీసుకోండి 2 and 3 కాకుండా అది కంపల్సరీ 6x plus or minus 1 అంటే 6 multiple minus 1 కానీ 6 multiple plus 1 కానీ అవుతుంది. కానీ 6 multiple plus 1 కానీ 6 multiple minus 1 కానీ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. Yes? Now, if you observe, what is the 11? That is 6 into 2 minus 1. What is the 13? 6 into 2 plus 1. What is the 18? 6 into 3 minus 1. What is the 19? 6 into 3 plus 1. What is the 23? 6 into 4 minus 1. What is the 30? 29? 6 into 5 minus 1. What is the 31? 6 into 5 plus 1. What is this one? 6 into 6 plus 1. What is the 6 into 7 minus 1? If you observe, 6 into 4 minus 1 is a prime number, but 6 into 4 plus 1 is equal to 25 is not a prime number. What I say that every prime number except 2 and 3 must be follows 6x plus or minus 1. But if a number which is follows 6x plus or minus 1 need not be a prime number. If you observe, if x equal to 4, 6 into 4 plus 1, 25 is not a prime number. Is it clear? Now, if you observe 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41 is a prime number. What is the next prime number? That is 43, right? So what is the answer? Answer is equal to option A. Is it clear, all of you? Now, this is the prime number combination. What is the next one? See, around 40% of the questions in the number series follows the one technique, that is the difference. Example, 16, 33, 65, 131, 261. Suppose if you take a difference of these two numbers, difference of every two numbers, okay, that may be constant, that may be increasing order, that may be decreasing order, whatever it is. Okay, now if you observe here, only 40% of the questions satisfy that condition. But all questions may not be satisfy the condition. Okay, here, what about this one? This is into plus 1. 16 into 2 plus 1, 33. And what about this one? Into 2 minus 1. That is equal to 65. And what about this one? Into 2 plus 1. 65 into 2, 130. 130 plus 1, 130. And here this is into 2 minus 1. 131 into 2, 262. Minus 1, 261. And what is the next one? Into 2 plus 1. 261 into 2, that is 522. 522 plus 1, there were 523, which is required answer. But in this case, you must observe here in the one case, plus 1. In the case, minus 2. Here, this is the plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. And what about this one? Here, minus 1, here must be plus 1. So, 2 into 261 into 2, 522. 520 plus 1, 523. So, what is the answer? Option A is the correct answer. Right? Now, I'm going to explain one example. All of you observe. Let us take 20, 30, 42, 56, 72. What is the next one? What is the next number? If you observe, there are 3 different ways to solve the question. First one, what is the difference between these two numbers? That is equal to 10. What is the difference between these two numbers? That is equal to 12. What is the difference between these two numbers? 14. What is the difference between these two numbers? 16. If you observe 10, 12, 14, 16, what is the next? That difference must be 18 or not? So 72 plus 18, that is equal to 90, which is required answer. See, another logic is also there. Another logic is also there. See, that logic is, what is 20? This is 4 into 5, that is 20. This is 5 into 6, that is 30. 6 into 7, 42. 7 into 8, 56. 8 into 9, 72. And what is the 9 into 10? That is equal to 90. What is the first case? Difference between two numbers. What is the second case? Multiplication method. The product of two consecutive numbers. Then you will get the answer. Yeah, one more method is also there. If you observe, what is 20? This is 4 square plus 4 is equal to 20. 5 square plus 5 is equal to 30. 6 square plus 6, 42. 7 square plus 7, 56. 49 plus 7, 56. 8 square plus 8, 72. And what is that? 9 square plus 9, that is equal to 90. In the same question, you can apply another method is also there. Let us take. What is that method? See, this is 5 square minus 5 is 20. 6 square minus 6, that is 30. 7 square minus 7, 42. 8 square minus 8, 56. 9 square minus 9, 72. 10 square minus 10, that is equal to 90. If you observe, question is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 different methods are there. See, in some cases, this can be happen. Okay, suppose if you want to take squares addition, third method, square subtraction, fourth method, product combination, second method, difference combination, first method. But in some cases only, these are satisfied. All cases may not be satisfied the condition. Okay, so you always think out of the box. You always to develop number series in your own way. Don't know you will get the answer. Okay, no, right. Go to the next one. 3, 7, 6, 5, 9, 3, 12, 15. See, in any sequence, suppose the numbers are in increase and decreasing order, that may be dual series. What is the dual series? The combination of two series. Or trio series, combination of three series, etc. In RRB or RBI, whatever it is, in a clerk standard, only dual series are possible. Okay, nothing to worry about the tri-series or etc. Okay, now, what is the dual series here? Let us take 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. What happened? This is plus 3, this is plus 3, this is plus 3, and this is plus 3. So that is equal to 1. What is the other possibility? 7, 5, 3, 1. What is the next one? If you observe 7 minus 2, that is 5. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. So what is the answer? Option C is the correct answer. In your series, if the numbers are up and down or zigzag, just that maybe in the dual series. Okay, in some cases, may not be dual series, but I am going to explain that those type of questions are nothing to worry. I am going to explain 50 different models. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer is minus 1. And the simplest question. 15, 31, 63, 127, 255. Here two methods are. This is equal to 16. This is equal to 32. This is equal to 64. This is equal to 120. Is it clear? You got the answer? Yes, it's a very simple, right? Yes, 16 into 2, 32. 32 into 2, 64. 64 into 2, 128. 128 into 256. What is the sum? 511 on that. 255 plus 256. 255 into 2, 510 plus 1. 511. Right? This is the one way. What is the other way? 15 into 2 plus 1, 31. Into 2 plus 1, 33. Into 2 plus 1, 167. Into 2 plus 1, 255. Into 2 plus 1, that is equal to 511. Here two methods are there. What is the first method? Need to take the difference between the two numbers. That is the one. What is the other method? Into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, etc. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 511. Right? Let's go to the next one. 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, 56. It's a very simple. It's very simple. What is the 2? That is 1 into 2. What is the 6? 2 into 3. What is the 12? 3 into 4. What is the 20? 4 into 5. What is the 30? 5 into 6. What is the 42? 6 into 7. What is the 56? 7 into 8. What is the next number? Obviously 8 into 9. That is equal to 72, which is required answer. Suppose if you want to take a difference between two numbers, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, and 56. This is equal to 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and what about this one? 14. So what is the next number? Here 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, the next number 16. So that is equal to 72 on it. See, if you go through difference between two consecutive numbers, you will get the answer. Or just into, if you split that number into product of two consecutive numbers. Okay, 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 5, 5 into 6, 6 into 7, etc. Then also you will get the answer. Okay, Nana? Right. Go to the next one. 8, 24, 12, 18, 54. I already explained you. Suppose that numbers in the sequence is up and down zigzag method. Then what should you do? Just split that number into two series. Okay, that is dual series. In POS, tri-series are also there. Okay. 8, 12, 18, what? And what is the 24, 36, 54, next number? But we require only one number, right? So, what is the answer here? Here, if you observe, this is equal to plus 4. This is equal to plus 6. What is the next number? That is equal to plus 8. So, 18 plus 8, 26. Is it clear? But option is not there. And here, this is equal to plus 12. And this is equal to, what happened? 36, 40, 16, plus 18. And what is the next one? Plus 26. Is it valid? None of this is also there. But is it correct logic? That is important. Now you find if any other logic is exist or not. If any other logic is exist, then answer is simple. Okay, here 26 is not existent anywhere in these options. So 26 is not a correct. What is the next procedure? Right. If you observe another method, 8 into 3, that is equal to 24. 24 by 2. Just a moment. Yeah. 8 into 3, 24. 24 by 2, 12. 12 into 3, 36. 36 by 2, 18. 18 into 3, 54. 54 by 2 is equal to 27. Option 27 is the answer. ఇక మీరు అడగచ్చు సార్ మరి నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంది కదా చెప్పి మరి ఇప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ కూడా వచ్చింది కదా ఇందా ప్రీవియస్ ఏంటి +14 +4 +8 వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అలాగే +6 +8 వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ +2 ఎక్సెట్రా ఓకే బట్ 2 సిరీస్ ఏంటంటే మనకి ఒక కోఇన్సిడెన్స్ అనేది లేదు ఒక కోఇన్సిడెన్స్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఓకే so what happened into 3/2 into 3/2 into 3/2 so what is the answer is equal to 27 is it clear all of you now go to the next one yeah 165 195 255 285 and 345 what is the next one? See if you don't get the logic then what is the best procedure? Take a difference of 2 numbers. But only 40% of the questions satisfy that condition. Okay, Nana? Only 40% is satisfied. Chuddam. Let us take it. 165, 195, 255, 285, 345. Next. What is the first difference? 165 and 195? 30. Next one. 60, next 30, next 60, next 30, 375. Option is there. Right? Now you check any other possibilities exist or not. Difference is okay. What is there any other possibility satisfies that condition? Right? This is 11 into 15. Is it valid? 11, 15 times 16. Okay. This is 13 into 15. Is it valid? 13, 10 times 130, 13, 5 times 65. So 130 plus 65, 195. And what about this one? Let us take 15 into 15 is not a valid. Okay. 15, 50 is 225. So 17 into 15 is a valid. 19 into 15, is it valid? And what about this case? And this is 60. Okay. This is 17 into 15. Okay. 19 into 15. And 345. And this is 23 into 15. What is the next one? Right? If you observe 11, just a minute. Right. 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. What is the next number? 11, 13, 15 skip, 17, 19, 21 skip, 23. What is the next number? That must be equal to 25 or not. What is the next number? That is equal to 25. So what is the 25 into 15? How to solve this one? What is the 25 into 16? That is equal to 400. Okay. 25 into 15, 400 minus 25. That is equal to 375 or not? So what is the answer? Answer 375. Here two ways are there. One is product or multiplication. What is the other one? The difference of two consecutive numbers. Now, what is the next question? 7, 26, 63, 124, 215, 342. Okay. What is the basic step? The difference between two consecutive numbers, right? Suppose if you take this one, 7, 26, 63, 124, 215, 342, etc. And what is the difference here? This is equal to 19. And what is the difference here? 33 plus 4, that is equal to 37. Okay. Now, what is the difference between these two? That is equal to 61. And what is the difference between these two numbers? That is equal to 91. And suppose if you observe, is there any relation among these four numbers? No. That means This method is not at all correct. Now it choose another method. What is the method? Either multiplication or square combination or a cube combination or a prime number, whatever it is. See, if you observe, this is 7. This is nearer to the perfect cube. What is the perfect cube? That is equal to 8. So this is equal to 2 cube minus 1 on that. And what about this one? 3 cube minus 1, 4 cube minus 1, 5 cube minus 1, 6 cube minus 1, 7 cube minus 1. So what is the 7 cube minus 1? 342. So what is the answer? Answer is 8 cube minus 1. So this is 512 minus 1, 511. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే 2 కాన్జుగేట్ నెంబర్స్ చూసుకోండి. వచ్చిందా వెనుక, లేదంటే ఇమీడియట్ లీవ్ ఇట్ అండ్ గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్. బట్ యూ మస్ట్ రిమెంబర్ క్యూబ్స్ అప్ టు 10, స్క్వేర్స్ అప్ టు 30 అండ్ టేబుల్స్ 20. అది మాత్రం పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా రావాలి నెంబర్ సిరీస్ కానీ చేసేటప్పుడు మాత్రం. ఓకేనా? నాట్ ఓన్లీ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ బట్ ఆల్సో న్యూమరికల్ అబిలిటీ చేసేటప్పుడు మనకి ఏంటంటే సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. అప్పుడు కూడా మనకి ఏంటంటే ఈ టేబుల్స్, స్క్వేర్స్, క్యూబ్స్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకేనా? రైట్. And the simple question. What happened? This is equal to 2 into 2. This is 4 into 3. Okay. 4 into 3. And this is 12 into 4. And what about this one? 48 into 5. What is the next one? 240 into 6 on that. What is 240 into 6? 6 into 200, 1200. 6 into 40, 240. So 1200 plus 240, that is equal to 1440. Option B is the correct answer. Very simple. Into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, and into 6. Okay, Nana? No. Here 8, 7, 11, 12, 14, 17. See, in your question, in any series, if the numbers are in the form of zigzag, largest number, smallest number, largest number, smallest number, etc., then what should you do? You should break that number, or you should split that sequence into 2. That is nothing but GL series. Here in the IBPS RRB clerks, or IBPS clerks, or SBI clerks, prelims, maximum series are in the GL. Okay. Tri series matram. Ade meeku mains kani leda POs kani akkadite meeku tri series vastundi. Okay. So what about this one? Yeah, this is equal to 8, 11, 14, 17, next 7, 12, 17, 22. No need to find the next number. We required this number only, right? So 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 3, that equals 20 honor. So what is the answer? Option B is the answer. Very simple question. Next, this is also in the form of zigzag, right? So 10, 13, 16, 19. We require this number, right? So 5, 10, 20. If you observe, 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 20, 20 into 2, that is equal to 40. Option B is the correct answer. It is a simple question. 1 into 2, 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 128 is the answer. Some cases, these type of questions also may be asked. Okay. Next, and the zigzag. Smallest number, largest number, smallest, largest, etc. So 71, 69, 70, 67, and what is the next number? This is minus 2. This is minus 2, minus 2. So what happened? 65 is the answer. Simple. And suppose if you want to this one, what happened? 76 minus 2, 74. 74 minus 2, 72. And what is the next number? 72 minus 2, that equals 70. But here we require this number only. What about that number? That is equal to 65. Next, 9, 11, 13, 15, 12, 14. What are the next numbers? See, it's a very simple, right? So 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. Option B is the correct answer. See, correct objections is a very simple question, right? 2, 5, 9, all numbers are in increasing, right? Let us take this is into 2 plus 1, that equals 5. What is the relation between 5 and 9? That is into 2 minus 1 on that. What is the relation? Into 2 plus 1, into 2 minus 1, into 2 plus 1. So 37 into 2, 74 plus 1, 75 is the answer. Okay. This is 2 into 2 plus 1. This is 5 into 2 minus 1. This is 9 into 2 plus 1. This is 19 into 2 minus 1. This is 37 into 2 plus 1. So that is equal to 74 plus 1. 75 is the answer. Next question. 8, 14, 22, 32, 58. See, 8, 14, 22, 32, 44, 58. Here, what is the difference? This is 6 and this is 8. This is 10. This is 12. This is 14. What is the next number? That is 16 or not? 58 plus 16, that is equal to 74. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, it's a very simple says, but never expect this much of easy in your examination. Okay. Right. 41, 43, 46, 51, 58, 69. What is the next one? Suppose here 41, 43, 46, 51, 58, 69. Difference is 2, difference is 3, difference is 5, difference is 7, difference is 11. What is the next difference? If you observe carefully, all these numbers are prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. What is the next prime number? 13. Just add these two numbers, 69 plus 13. So 82. Option A is the answer. See, the difference between consecutive numbers that shows a prime number. The difference between consecutive number that shows a prime number. So what is the answer? 69 plus 13, that is equal to 82. Next, 3, 11, 27, 59, dash 251. So how to solve this one? What is the difference? This is equal to 8. It's another simple question. This is 16. What is the difference? 32. If you observe, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 2, 32, 32 into 2, that is equal to 64. 59 plus 64 is equal to how much? That is equal to 3. And next, 123. So what is the answer? Option C is the answer. But if you add 128, suppose the sum of these two numbers is equal to 251, then only 120 is the correct. Suppose the sum of these two numbers is not equal to 251, then this logic is wrong. Now you choose another logic to find the answer. Okay, Nana? Right. So what is the answer? Answer is 123. Next, 6, 19, 60, 189, etc. See, if the difference between two consecutive numbers is very largest number, increasing number or decreasing, that may be the combination of multiplication or squares or cubes. multiplication, addition or subtraction, squares addition or subtraction, cubes addition or subtraction, whatever it is. Okay. No need to take the difference between two numbers 6 and 19, 13. Next 19 and 60, 41, 13 and 41. There is a huge difference. So just you think out of the box. 6 into 3 plus 1, that is 19. 19 into 3 minus 1, sorry, plus 3, that is equal to 60. 60 into 3 plus 9. What observe? Into 3 plus 1, into 3 plus 3, into 3 plus 9. What is the next one? That is into 3 plus 27 on earth. Why? Because if you observe, this is 1, this is 3, this is 9. What is the next one? That must be 27. What is the next case? 81. Okay. So, 189 into 3. How to solve 189 into 3? 189. What is the nearest number? That is 190 into 3. That is equal to 570 or not. Minus 3. That is equal to 567. Okay. And next, plus 27. Plus 27. So, this is equal to 594. Option E is the correct answer. That is the one way. Or suppose if you want to do fast calculation, 190 into 3, 570. Already 3 is there. So 24 left. 570 plus 24, 594 is the answer. No need to calculate all these things. Okay, but in the numerical ability, some other person explain you how to solve this type of questions. Nothing to worry. Next, 110, 156, 210, 270, 110, 156, 210, 272. This is equal to 46, and this is equal to 54, right? 54, yes. And this is equal to 62. And what is the next? What is the difference between these two? This is equal to 8. This is equal to 8. So this number is also equal to 8 or not? Now 62 plus 8, that is equal to 70. Now you should add 272 plus 70. So that is equal to 342. Option E is the correct answer. Yet two-step verification. Okay. This is the step 1 and this is the step 2. In the step 1, just take a difference of every two consecutive numbers. In the step 2, you should take a difference of the step 1. So, what is the answer? 342, which is required answer. Now, how to solve this? 2 by 12 by 91 is not correct. Okay. Fractions is nothing but just a by. Okay. But here, 2 by 12 by 91. If you observe, 91, 92, and 12, 12, 1, 2. ఇక్కడ ఏం గుర్తొస్తుంది? Years, months, and dates. అంతే కదా? No. 91, 91, 12, 12. What is the difference between these two? That is equal to plus 28. Here, January. Okay. 30 to 27 plus 28 on it. Why? Because in the month December, 31 days are there. So 27 plus 1, 28. And come to this case, this is also plus 28. What is the next one? That is equal to plus 28. So 24 plus 28, what happened? This is equal to 52 on it. Next, here 92 is a leap year. In the leap year, what is February? 29 days. Okay, just subtract 29 from this number. Okay, so what happened? This is equal to 3. Okay, and this is equal to. So 24 to 92 plus 28, that is equal to 23rd March 1992. Just to think out of the box. Okay, so what is the answer? 23,392. అందుకే మీకు చెప్తున్నాను ఏంటంటే క్వశ్చన్ రాగానే పాజ్ చేయండి, క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయండి. ఆ తర్వాత ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. Yeah, that's all for today. We'll meet again on in the next video, that is number series 2. Thank you, one and all.